Number one na hi chu ala harvak lawa ma se claim chuan level chu in up shit chete in prelims ai chuan mo char hawang there are 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H living in 4-story buildings such as ground floor is numbered 1, above it is floor 2, then top floor is numbered as 4. 4, 3, 2, 1 in and floor ka oma, mi pariat an oma. Each of the floor has 2 flats. Floor katakan, flat patni ko ni zela oma, flat X le flat Y. He chu prelim sa khatsuan a in do chho top ta tiro floor khata pakhate te khan oma ta hi chuan tle min a level up cheta wangin flat X le flat Y floor khata khan patnin om ta a chuan flat X is in the east of flat Y is in the east of flat X ani chuan kan che thia mang tiro X le Y ani na in remanga flat X of floor 2 is immediate above flat X of floor 1 and immediate below flat X of floor 3 and so on. All the information is not necessarily in the same order. Yeah. Iti hian kan zia kan kan hi karon siam sa chan chu jo chop hianin a poi thau ve de ve ka. Hi possibility sa omdo na wang khang karon dialog cho me mo. Atir bera injo tur chu hi flat X hi flat Y tiro. Chuan 4 3 2 1 heta asoi chu flat X of floor 2 is immediate above flat X of floor 1. Floor flat X hi a zona veka oma Y hi a in zone vekin an omtina Y flat floor 3 flat Y chu milama chuan oma ti vel inkal thel kha omlau ti aron soina mai ani ta a chuan hi XY hi possible diagram pahnih dang ani dona atirin possible diagram hi angai don nge don lo kan shelo atiro amai ro chu mains level a chuanin pahnih pathum tal chu in rin ve chu a tha in lo jo lo kher lo ani pon draw mai thei tura in rin angai chuan point number 1 kan chhar pa in ti hang kan ja zelanga mo A lives to the north of E A lives to the north of E ni chuan north of E tiro but not on an odd numbered floor. A hi even a omtina da a chuan ama ero chu kan la sha lo chu flat X ange flat Y a zo kan shelawa kan chhar zelang E lives on an odd numbered floor. E hi odd ani ve boka but not on flat X. Flat X a hian an om don lo tina ni chu ani chuan flat Y a rem kan tum chinang A even ania turo A even ania E odd turo hei lo po hi possibility sa oma A even E odd hi la kan la zia le theya chu lo po heta hian A even E odd atiang khan pathumin kan ziak theida ni hemi tang hian chuan C lives to the west of H. Point panhina C lives to the west of H, but not on an even numbered floor. Odd number C le H te hin omdona. Kan chhar zel photang number 3 na. D lives to the south of C. Heta hanjang D lives to the south of C, but not to the west of E. Not to the west of E. E zona a omlavang. E zona D omlavanga ma se C hnuai zona khoi manilai bera omdona. Tro chuan point number 2 hi kan jak the. Point number 2 a chuan C hi odd anianga C hi odd hi C odd abula H. hemi o ta hian kan da thei lo na chan chu ta han h kan da thei lo next sa chuan c o heta h tro chuan c hi o tania heta h kan da be thei boka 1 le 2 kan zia ka hemi d hi d le e zone ni lo kha c hnuaia d oma hele he hi kan da thei ama se e flora d om lova chuwangin ta han d kan da ang c hnuaia d oma tro ta chuan c in hnuai nei lo he hi chu kan cancel thei c hnuaia d heta kan da ve lenga e zone ni lo zo ka kan da ang chuan B lives to the northwest of E. B lives to the northwest of E ni chuan tingen yang. Northwest ni chuan ti hal nya tro. Northwest of E. E northwest chu khoilai nge helai cha hi ol to tro northwest. E northwest ni chuan tuna B omna le C omna le D omna hi E tan northwest vekania amai ro chu C le D in an lo lwa to wangin D hi B hi ta chau hi ang kan dat he. Heta po hian c le d om ve vek to a helai cha hi ol to a chuan helai kan chia lenga g lives in flat y but not on top floor g lives in flat y a g oma heta po flat y a g but not on top floor ati wangin hei poi kan eliminate le the chuan heta hian nge le bangang f cha om to tro kan chi thia mem kha kha zona om em zona om chuan lo zot lok me om lo chuang question a kan kalang who amongst the following person lives below A in the same flat? Below A in the same flat as one H G E 10 omatro. H G E hi khoilai nge. B chawa han G oma option B. Question number 2. B lives in which flat at which floor? Flat X 4th floor. Flat X 4th floor. Draw option C. Number 3, who amongst the following person lives to the northeast of the northeast needs one, northeast needs one, A le H ti hinita, D ta northeast su, A le H niya, A and H option D. Number 4, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? B A C H D G B G F E B G te hina ngatro abak hi chu floor khatve ka ho kharon suya B G can answer ani le mai. Number 5, who amongst the following person lives in flat Y of second floor? Flat Y of second floor G option A.